Good morning, children. Are you all ready for the class today? Today I am going to teach you a new letter S. Which letter? S. Do you know what is the sound of letter S? The sound of letter S is S. Repeat after me. S. Look here, children. S for sandwich. Repeat after me. S for sandwich. What is the first letter of sandwich? S. S for sandwich. Sandwich is a food item consisting of two pieces of bread with a filling between them. Have you eaten sandwich? S for school. Repeat after me. S for school. School is a place where children are given education. S for seal. S for seal. What is the first letter of seal? S. They are marine animals. S for snake. S for snake. Snakes are reptiles with a long body. Some snakes are poisonous while some of them are non-poisonous. S for snail. S for snail. Snail is a small creature with a shell on their body. S for seesaw. S for seesaw. It's used for playing. S for swing. S for swing. It's a seat suspended by ropes or chain on which we can swing back and forth. S for sun. S for sun. Sun gives us heat and light. When do you see the sun? We see the sun during the daytime. S for soap. S for soap. It's a substance used for washing and cleansing purposes. Everyone look here. S for seesaw. S for swing. S for seal. S for snake. S for school. What is the sound of letter S? S. S for sandwich. S for sun. S for snail. S for soap. What is the sound of letter S? S. Next, we will learn how to write letter S. Come on. Capital letter S. Children, which letter is this? Capital letter S. Capital letter S. Capital letter S. Which letter is this? Repeat after me. Capital letter S. Next, small letter S. Small letter S. Small letter S. Small letter S. Capital letter S. Small letter S. Children, repeat after me. Capital letter S and small letter S. Capital letter S. Small letter S. Next, we will learn letter T. Look here, children. Capital letter T and small letter T. Repeat after me. Capital letter T and small letter T. Do you know what is the sound of letter T? Yes, the sound of letter T is T. Repeat after me. T. T for table. Children, repeat after me. T for table. What is the first letter of table? T. T for table. It's a furniture used for eating, writing, etc. T for tap. Repeat after me. T for tap. It's a device by which flow of liquid or gas can be controlled from a pipe or container. T for tea. T for tea. It's a hot drink made using tea powder in boiling water. Do you like tea? T for tiger. T for tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Tiger is our national animal. Which is our national animal? Tiger is our national animal. T for tomato. T for tomato. Tomato is a vegetable. T for top. T for top. It's a toy with circular body and pointed bottom. T for tortoise. T for tortoise. It's a slowly moving reptile. It has a hard round shell covering its body. T for tree. T for tree. What is the sound of letter T? T. T for table. T for tap. T for tea. T for tiger. T for top. T for tomato. T for tree. T for tortoise. What is the sound of letter T? The sound of letter T is T. Now we will learn how to write letter T. Come on. Capital letter T. Capital letter T. Capital letter T. Children, which letter is this? Capital letter T. Next, small letter T. Small letter T. Small letter T. Repeat after me. Small letter T. Small letter T. Capital letter T. Small letter T. Capital letter T. Small letter T. Repeat after me. Capital letter T and small letter T. Did you understand how to write letter T? Next, we will learn letter U. Which letter is this? Capital letter U and small letter u. Do you know what is the sound of letter U? The sound of letter U is A. Repeat after me, children. A. U for umbrella. Repeat after me. U for umbrella. It is used to protect us from rain or sun. What is the first letter of umbrella? U. U for umbrella. U for uniform. U for uniform. What is the first letter of uniform? U. U for uniform. It is the clothing students are required to wear at school. U for up. U for up. Up means at a higher level or at top level. What is the first letter of up? U. U for up. U for utensils. U for utensils. They are vessels used in a household, especially in kitchen. Once again, repeat after me. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for uniform. U for uniform. U for up. U for up. U for utensils. U for utensils. What is the sound of letter U? A. Next, we will learn how to write letter U. Look here. Capital letter U. Repeat after me. Which letter is this? Capital letter U. Capital letter U. Capital letter U. Next, small letter U. Children, repeat after me. Which letter is this? Small letter U. Small letter U. small letter U. Capital letter U, small letter U. Capital letter U, small letter U. Capital letter U, small letter U. Children, did you understand how to write letter U? Now we will learn letter V. Look here children, capital letter V and small letter V. Which letter is this? Repeat after me. Capital letter V and small letter V. Do you know what is the sound of letter V? The sound of letter V is B. Repeat after me. B. V for vase. Repeat after me. V for vase. It's a decorative container or vessel used for holding flowers. V for van. V for van. It's a vehicle. What is the first letter of van? Yes, V. V for van. V for vegetables. Repeat after me. V for vegetables. Look here. There are so many vegetables here like tomato, brinjal, carrot, etc. You all should eat vegetables. They keep our body healthy. V for vegetables. V for vest. Repeat after me. V for vest. What is the first letter of vest? V. V for vest. It's a garment worn on the upper part of the body. V for vest. Children, once again look here. Capital letter V and small letter V. V for vegetables. V for vase. V for van. V for vest. What is the sound of letter V? The sound of letter V is V. We will learn how to write letter V. Which letter is this? Capital letter V. Come on, repeat after me. Capital letter V. Capital letter V. Capital letter V. Small letter V. Children, look here. Which letter is this? Small letter V. Small letter V. Small letter V. Repeat after me. Capital letter V. Small letter V. Capital letter V. Small letter V. Did you understand how to write letter V? So, now we learn letters S, T, U and V. Everyone sit and practice it from your home. Thank you.